Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tahila and today I'm at Usman Dam, located at Ushafa. So the Ushafa is found in the Bwari Council of the FCT. It's just a few kilometers away from the heart of Abuja, and as you can see, it's located in a very beautiful place. You can see the hill and the water is surrounded by. I came to just check out the place. Well, it's not bad. This is what, but I think it needs a lot of work because this is the shore, or is it the bank, river bank, or the dam bank, and this is what is for the bank. Oh, it's not bad. You can walk around. There are these stones that we're walking on. So yeah, I think you can actually get good pictures here. Like if you want to do a photo shoot, this is a very good place. See, I don't know if my camera is actually doing justice, but then this looks really lovely. Imagine doing your birthday shoot or your pre-wedding shoots at this place. It looks cool. What do you guys think? And okay, I also feel like the government can turn this place into like a resort, because just imagine if you have like speed boats or those party crafts here like around, and people just come around here. Like, see, there's this place, so people can come here for picnic with their family members, and then you just take a good ride and then have fun and go home. What do people think? Should the government turn this place into like a resort instead of just letting it waste the way it is right now? Because nothing's really happening. I heard that fishermen come here to fish once in a while, but right now we are here and then there's nobody. It's just the two of us, me and this fish. See her pressing her phone. So you guys, what do you think?
Crab.
You guys, I saw a dead crab. See that? It's a dead crab. Ooh! I guess the water is too dangerous for it, or too hard for it. I don't know why it died.
Maybe the crab was sick.
Oh. She said that the crab was sick, that's why it died. So it died out of sickness. Oh god, you guys, this place really looks lovely. Like, oh my goodness.
You know, you can climb over.
Yeah, you can climb to the other side like that. You guys see?
Can we try going up?
Yeah.
And see if you can stand on top of that hill.
Yeah, we can do that. But I just want to get like a picture, a video of this bank.
Okay.
So you guys see, I'm still taking a walk by the bank of the place. So this is it. This actually a good view. Imagine having a party here, like you and your friends just chilling.
Yeah.
And you guys just sit out here and having like a real nice conversation. Oh, you people actually, and then another thing, people that do, all those people that do makeup, you understand? Imagine coming here to do makeup and then having like a really nice photo shoot.
Yeah, they can actually edit out all those debris.
Yeah, like
And
here, there's not even debris here. Like, you can't really see debris here. Are you seeing? They're not much compared to the other side. Yeah. So
I saw fish.
where's fish?
Then I saw fish, not now.
Oh, okay.
And I think there's a net. There's a fish net.
Oh yeah. I see there's a fish net. I don't know whether you guys can see from the camera. There's like a fish net.
Careful there.
Yeah. Okay. I don't think whether this rock is balanced, but see, that is a fish net. So I think they've set a trap for
them fishes.
He said for them fish. Oh, come and see this side. Yeah,
view, right?
yeah, the view.
Oh my. Oh, it's so cool.
More.
What a beauty.
So you guys come here and have some fun at the Ushafa Dam.
Shake that booty. It's not shaky, unfortunately.
Guys, rain is coming, but then this is the view, the mad ass view. You can see the cows over there, and this is it going down. Then this is the water. Then this is the park.